Hi traders, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my video on the Crypto EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a free expert advisor that I've developed, which you can download using the link in the description below. You can use it to trade any crypto instrument on the MT4 and MT5 platforms. In this video, I'm just going to quickly run through some of the settings and the different ways in which you can implement it within your trading. This EA can send you signals and can also place trades on your behalf according to the settings that you choose. So if we go to the expert properties, I'll just quickly run through the settings now so you can get an idea of what you can customize. So pop-up alerts, email alerts, and SMS alerts. Self-explanatory. Handy if you want to simultaneously track multiple charts at the same time without needing to scour through them for signals. Email alerts and SMS alerts are handy if you're away from your machine. Use trading. If you set this to true, the EA will actually place the trade for you, and this is good because you can combine use trading with alerts as well, so you can be alerted if there is a trade placed. Days filter, self-explanatory. Hours filter as well. Perhaps there's a particular trading session you want to trade, you can just amend the hours there. Close out time, so you can close at a certain time of the day if you want to perhaps avoid rollover or trading overnight. And you have the close Friday option as well if you want to close all trades prior to the weekend. Order ID helps avoid clashing with other EAs. Maximum spread, maximum slippage to avoid unfavorable market conditions. So you can limit the open orders, and you can also choose the lot size you wish to use or the risk percentage you would like the EA to calculate the lot size for. There are instructions included that explain everything in more detail. Stop loss and take profit, self-explanatory. You have the option to put hedging, true or false as well. Use equity check, so this will basically terminate the EA if your equity falls below the minimum value or goes above the maximum value. Break even and trade and stop options are included. You can also close a percentage of the trade if you wish. So this EA, Crypto EA, has nearly all of the MT4 and MT5 technical indicators you can think of included. So you've got the moving average, envelopes, parabolic star, Bollinger Bands, ADX, Ichimoku, standard deviation, CCI, stochastics, RSI, MACD, ATR for your average true range, momentum, bull and bears bars, demarker, forcing index, OSMA, RVI, Williams percent range, volumes, money flow index, Bill Williams, which is the alligator, accelerator, oscillator, and you also have candlestick patterns as well. So if you have any of the candlesticks patterns set to true, the EA will only send a signal and place a trade if there is a candlestick pattern at the same time as the indicators that you have set to true agree. If you have no pattern set to true, the EA can send signals and place trades simply based on the indicators. So you can use this in any way you wish. As I say, completely free to use. Help yourself to copy using the link in the description below. And on how it works is, let's just say you were watching this scenario. You're seeing the market making these lower highs here. Okay, we're going to start looking for a sell trade. Perhaps we wanted to wait for a pullback. Okay, so we may have been watching this support level around here. Okay, support. You can see this wedge formation forming as well. Still, we would have been looking for a sell trade in this instance. We just want to time it. Okay, so we're not going to sell right away. What we can do is put, say, the ADX. Apologies if the lines aren't very clear. I will mark off here the ADX going above the 20 level with the red line above the green line, which suggests a bearish trend. And the ADX being above 20 suggests there's power in this trend. Okay, so we may be looking to sell either there, depending on how aggressive you are, or wait for the support line to be breached as it is there. Okay, and you can time your entry. You also have additional confirmation because this resistance here, strong resistance, is tested multiple times. Price begins to fall away and a big drop down there. Okay, you also have this wedge pattern in there and bearish candlestick patterns as well. got an engulfing bearish bar there. So yeah, a big engulfing bar there as well. So in the EA, if we go to the ADX, so you could have had the ADX trend set to true and the ADX level set to true. Say we would have wanted the ADX to be above 20, so that's the minimum level. And then we would have had an alert from the EA that the ADX is suggesting a strong downward trend at this point, and we know, okay, now it's time to start looking for a trade. Okay, we could have even been alerted earlier, somewhere around here. Okay, strong trend down around here. We don't want to sell at the bottom. We could wait to time our entry. As well, here you see the trend start to slow down. And again, and once we're here, even stronger, you can always enter. You don't want to sell too low, but you could have always had your eye on this breakout of support. And again, the EA could have alerted you when the ADX was above 20 and trending downwards. But that's just one example using the ADX. As I said, you can use any of the indicators. So you could have the Bollinger Bands, and a breakout of the bands here could have been your signal. Okay, or it could have placed a trade for you. So, you know, we were in a scenario here when we're only taking sell trades, so we could have had the EA set to trade short only. You can always change it in the testing tab as well to short only. So then we would have only got the trade on the breakout of the bands downwards, okay, which would have been a pretty solid entry. Stop loss just above there, and a really good trade with a solid risk to reward ratio. So yeah, very customizable. There's literally hundreds of thousands of different combinations you can do. You can obviously optimize the EA as well if you wish. In the strategy tester of MT4 and MT5, you can change all the indicator settings, set them to true or false, do your own money management depending on your own preferences and whether you're scalping, day trading, swing trading. As I said, it can be used on any trading instrument and any chart time frame. Okay. And yeah, you can get, as I said, signals, or you can have the EA place the trade for you, or you can have a combination of both. Personally, I think using it in a semi-automated manner is better. Okay, but just to, you know, first decide which direction you're going to trade in. You can see here, okay, big level of support, higher lows. We're going to look to buy. We can get an alert when a long alert only, when Bollinger Bands has a breakout, either there, here, or if we were using tighter bands, let's say with deviations, we can get an alert on a pullback to the bands, and when we know there's been a pullback in line with the trend, then we can look to place our pending orders. So for example, a buy stop here, pull back on the Bollinger Bands there, we get an alert, we come in, we see where the resistance is, we place a buy stop there, and it's a good trade after all. As I said, very flexible, an indefinite amount of ways in which it can be used. Just use it in a way that works for you. If you found anything useful in this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.